Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Terms and Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called management by objective. It is a organizational management within a supply chain or any subdomain to manage the professionals. So every organization sets objectives or KPI. So it's a form of participative management where a purchaser or a supply chain professional and or supervisor discuss, negotiate and agree on purchases or supply chain personal objective for the coming year. Generally, we call this as a KPI, which also includes performance measurement. This should include performance and professional development objective as well as the resources needed to achieve them. Every organization has a performance measurement which is actually linked with employees' salary hike or promotion. So every year it is discussed based between the head of the function and his reportees, and various points are agreed. Normally we call this as a KPI, and this progress can be reviewed either monthly or quarterly, and finally the year end it is collectively reviewed, and based on the result the performance employee can be given the promotion or any other things. So here we have to be clear on what are all the objectives. For example, in supply chain there are various metrics which are relevant to core planning or purchasing, warehousing or logistic, and there should be an agreement between the functional head and the reportees on what level can be done, and it should be a smart objective which can be accomplished within a given time. Thanks for watching. Bye.